Krishna's eyes, his iris, the color of his eyes is blue sapphires. And on the corner of his eyes is slightly reddish like Padmanidhi. Nidhi means jewel or gem. So the corners of Krishna's eyes is slightly reddish. So the red rubies are the corners of Krishna's eyes, and the blue sapphires are the color of his eyes. The light emanating from Krishna's eyes is illuminating his Kunja treasury palace. Because it's midnight and there's no moon in the sky. So how will the gopis find their way around the treasury house unless there's some light? So the light which illuminates the treasury house of the Kunja Mandir is a beautiful light emanating from Krishna's love-excited eyes. So the conclusion, they say, thus, Krishna, after showing us all your treasures in your treasury, each day you make us partake of a nectarian sight unattainable even by the demigods. So you were asking about, you said, we have to pay you? You say, Dehi Dasyam, become your servants. I said, no, let me explain. Let me explain how you already paid us, and every day you're showing us so much wealth and treasure that even the demigods, even Kubera himself, will be envious of the treasury, the treasure content, and the great storage of wealth in your Alaka Kunjas of Vrindavan.